Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you my best tips on choosing a niche and also cover the top 3 highest paying niche markets. I will also give you more information on 7 high ticket affiliate programs that you can sign up for to make more money. Remember, always look for less competition, higher commission rates and promote products that you love. We will talk about products with less competition. We will get higher commission than the normal ClickBank and affiliate programs and platforms. And lastly, promote a product you believe in. You must know your product and you must give value to your customer. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide useful information to help you create and grow your online business. For people new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell not to miss out on my next videos. I'm making a series of videos related to high-ticket affiliate programs that can bring you a beneficial income online. With all this said, let's get straight into the video. When it comes to picking a high-paying niche in affiliate marketing, it is basically what people have a lot of emotions about. Is the health and wellness niche, the digital marketing niche, and the wealth niche where everybody wants to make more money and they want to grow their business. Everyone wants to look better, feel better, live longer and wants to make more money or learn how to grow their business with digital products. So these 3 niches are really powerful to use as people are prepared to spend money on these. In these markets, there are different options to choose from. Under the health, you can have weight loss, fitness, bodybuilding, fat diets, supplements, skincare, and name it. Just make sure you choose something that you feel comfortable with for promoting. Digital products, there's a whole lot. From educational programs, plus systems, plus digital products to help you make more money, help you generate traffic, and so forth. And lastly, in the wealth niche, where we can make money, there's real estate, digital marketing, crypto stock investment, and how to make money online. So there are tons of different topics to choose from. Just remember that there will be a lot of competition to choose. So choose a sub-niche that you feel comfortable with to promote. So you need to find affiliate marketing products that have less competition and that you can promote. So you find the customer, you sell the product to the customer, the merchant pay the commission to you, and both the customer and you are happy. So what I found is that these type of products that I'm talking about are not on ClickBank, JVZoo, or Commission Junction. This is where most affiliate markets are, and their competitors are very high on these platforms. So how to become affiliate marketer, even if you have no clue where to start? Since I recommended some of these sites, and as I mentioned, look at what is available and look at what people are really passionate about and having emotions about. If there's a problem and you can solve their problem, they will definitely buy from you. Since these sites are not recommended by me to find your sub-niche product, I would recommend that you go directly to the site with the high-ticket affiliate program. You can join for free and promote their program or their affiliate product. So you have to email them, but mostly on their website there is an email, or if you look at their Facebook page, there will be a way that you can connect with them. You have to join a program. You decide which program is for you. You join the program, look at their products, make sure you're happy to promote their products because you will put your name with the product that you're promoting. And if it's not good products, you will definitely not build a sustainable business online. Then you will have traffic or you have your people that you will promote it to. And then you will earn commissions and you and your customer will be happy. I put some samples together of what I am doing. As you can see, you don't just send a link and send it out to everyone and say just sign up. This is not how affiliate marketing works. You have to make sure you give value to your customer, and when you send out something, there must be a way that they can connect back to you if they have any questions. It must be linked to a website, or you can link it at some way that they can connect directly with you. I just showed you what I am promoting. Once this is set up, you don't have to go back. As soon as somebody buys something from any of these products that I have set up the right way with value and not just sending a link by email, they will come back to me, or when they pay, I will just see I have a payment in my PayPal account. So this is how you do affiliate marketing on the right way. I put together 7 different high-ticket affiliate programs that you can use. But you have to contact these people directly to make sure that you get into their affiliate programs. And here the competition won't be so high. And you will get high commission structures that they will pay out more than what you will find on ClickBank or JVZoo. The first one that I have up here is Lady Boss. And they offer a range of good lifestyle nutrition products with better conversion rates, and they have higher commission payouts and less competition. This is a great way to promote healthy living to your customers with quality products. Digital Marketing Builderall Affiliates. This is a program in the digital marketing niche and can also bring a huge amount of income to you. Join Builderall affiliate program today. No credit card or payment required. Create your profitable affiliate marketing business with Builderall platform. High paying commissions, second tier commissions as well. The affiliate program alone has created consistent recurring income for hundreds of affiliates across the world already. So I think this is a good product to promote. The next one, the Legendary Market Affiliate Program, is one of the most powerful ways to earn income online. Legendary Market is a complete training program for online marketers that is made up of several low, medium, and high ticket products. Dave Sharp is the CEO of this program. He has done over $200 million in online sales with this program. With their powerful and proven approach to market and selling, you can be assured of their high conversion rate. By partnering with them as an affiliate, you will tap into a goldmine of experience and grow your online income. Product number 4. Legion 5-day training exposes a system to build audience, start relationships, command authority, and sell products all on autopilot without spending money on advertising. Johnny West is the founder of the system, and the 5-day in-depth training, he will explain everything about his system. He is over-delivering and sharing his knowledge with all of you who join the 5-day free program. The blueprint he and his team are following is getting traffic, give value, and then you will submit the offer. This strategy is applicable in any niche. So no matter which niche you are part of, you can still follow Johnny West and the Legion. This product is currently 4 years in the making. Battle-tested, proven strategies and tactics, all worked out and still developing new tools and tactics to support online business owners. This can make you anything from $300 to $500 every day. I'm an affiliate of this group and it's amazing what their product can do. Join the link below for the 5-day free training starting on 27 July. During the 5-day training program, the link will be disabled, but after the 5 days, it will be reopened again for the next training. But you can PM me for any information if you want to know more. Product number 5, GetResponse. I'm also an affiliate of GetResponse. This is a comprehensive marketing software platform that helps you create content, boost your sales and increase traffic to your website. Integrated email marketing, autoresponders and landing pages let you automate essential tasks and launch effective marketing campaigns. Advanced analytics make it easy to track conversions, leads and return of income and learn what your customer wants. Customizable templates, scenarios do the work for you. No coding necessary. There are 2 options you can choose. Option 1, you can get $100 with each sign-up. Or option 2, 30% recurring income per month from all your sign-ups. I am affiliate of this and I chose the second option, as this brings in a recurring income that I like to have every month. Product number 6, TubeBuddy. If you work on YouTube, then TubeBuddy is a must. Everything you need to easily manage, optimize and grow your YouTube channel. You can sign up for a premium account and take your channel to the next level. You can get more subscribers. They have great free training to help and support you and your customers. Make money telling people about a product you love. This product might not be in the high affiliate ticket niche, but I found as an affiliate I would rather have 30% of $500,000 than a high ticket payout of once. I'm an affiliate of this and the link will be below the video if you are thinking of joining this amazing program to help you grow your online channel. I deliberately entered this product as the last one because this product, I want to tell you, be wary. Let me be completely transparent. I'm not associated with Finish Line Network in any form and I'm not an affiliate of them. So rest assured, I'm not here to pitch or sell anything to you. I use this product as an example of what not to use on the internet. Even if it looks good and you might think this will be for you, this product startup cost is only $20. It doesn't sound too much. As this is an affiliate network, you need to buy all their products before you can earn any commissions. When promoting these products, you have to have the product you're promoting already bought. Only $4,997. And what I found with people with this network, they just in it for the money. They don't really give value to their clients, as everyone in the network buys a product and just sells it to the next. It's also very high priced. And in today's world, I don't think it's nice to sell this high products to friends who might not have the money to be able to promote. And when you start promoting, you will need traffic, otherwise who is buying the product? So their products, as I said, go up to $5,000 for the whole package, which is very high price to pay for something that can be shut down very easy by the Federal Trade Commission, who is protecting America's consumers. Finish Line Network have their own funnels, cost $130 per month, or you can pay $2,997 for 3 years to have this product. This is an email marketing program. I can name much better programs for less than 3,000 to sell and email marketing products. They teach you how to promote their product, but you need to buy the product, as I said, to get the commission if somebody buys it. With this type of program, I will be little weary, as the US government closed a few of these type of structured products a few years ago. If something happens to the company, you will lose your income. Shutdown of similar of these products happened before with the Federal Trade Commission. The companies made false claims, and the Federal Trade Commission just said, we don't allow. These companies are only concentrate on money. You need to give value to your customer and not just talk about making money. You cannot sell any product as they lock you in their company and you can only sell their products. Once they close their business, your business is gone. This is just a word of caution to let you know. Check the small print and do your research before you sign up for any affiliate program. If it sounds too good to be true, check again what's in it for you. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice and training to help you create and grow your online business. I hope you found this information valuable and helpful. And I hope now you know how to use high-ticket affiliate programs. Check out the links below. I have the links of all the programs, but make sure that this is what you really want to do. And don't just sign up for any program if you don't feel comfortable with their products. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and not to miss out on my next video, you should ring the little bell. If you want to start an online business, then click on the link below and follow my suggested proven strategy to create your own successful online business. I hope to see you again in my next video on the other side of the screen.